Hello, today we come to Lamport Hall.
Yes, Lamport Hall is in Northamptonshire and we've not been here before, so we're really looking forward to it.
Yeah, we are. Lamport Hall is located 8 miles north of Northampton and is set in approximately 10 acres of tranquil gardens enclosed by a spacious park. The Isham family lived at Lamport for over 400 years, from 1560 to 1976. The hall's design has been influenced by each generation.
In 1568, John Isham, a wealthy wool merchant, built a manor house on the Lamport estate. His grandson became the first baronet in 1627 during the reign of Charles I, and he extended the house, although little of this building remains today.
It was Sir Justinian Isham who built the main existing building in 1655. Major additions were added in the 18th and 19th century, including a new facade with porch to the northwest front, which is now the main entrance to the hall.
The library is a treasure house of ancient books and manuscripts, the most famous of which is Charles I's 1638 Bible, which was gifted to the second baronet.
The hall's stunning rooms, including the High Room of 1655, are filled with a wealth of outstanding furniture, books, china and paintings collected by the Isham family. Most were bought during the 3rd Baronet's Grand Tour of Europe in the 1670s.
Until universal education became law in the 1880s, the poor had very little access to education. The Ishams were struck by the unfairness of this. Sir Justinian, the second baronet, founded a charity for apprentices in 1675 and oversaw the building of Clipston School. He served as trustee for the school, a position held by an Isham for over 200 years. Sir Edmund, the 6th baronet, left money in his will to build the parish school at Hanging Houghton, which offered free schooling for every child in the parish. It was later extended in the 19th century by Sir Charles, 10th Baronet, a founding member of the National Union of Teachers.
Over the years, Lamport Hall has had many uses, as well as being a family home. It's been used as a country club, the Northamptonshire Records Office, an army base, and an Italian prisoner of war camp. Years of poor maintenance resulted in an outbreak of dry rot, which during the 1970s saw large sections of the house gutted. The then owner, Sir Giles Isham, undertook major renovation and opened the ground floor to the public in 1974. When he died in 1976, he left the building and its contents to the Lamport Hall Preservation Trust, who care for the hall and gardens today.
Lamport Hall was featured as Clarence House in the Netflix series The Crown. The exterior was also used as the stables of Windsor Castle.
The hall is open to the public 60 days a year between Easter Sunday and early October. Entry is free to Historic House members. The hall also hosts educational visits from its on-site farm, and events are held throughout the year, including antique fairs and study days. Well, I hope you enjoyed that, and we're ending it in these stunning gardens.
They're beautiful, aren't they, Dawn?
They are.
Really nice. Well, thank you for watching.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.